Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the ride that I took through Custer State Park in South Dakota on the wildlife loop. Now this isn't going to be the most exciting video in the playlist that I'm putting together for Sturgis 2020, but it was still pretty neat and what I experienced, so I figured I would go ahead and share it with everyone. You can get on YouTube and you can find different videos where the bison or buffalo, whichever you prefer to call them, are walking right beside the road, right next to the motorcycles. That's not the experience that I had, but anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that on the up front. So whenever I got to South Dakota, we ended up staying here in Rapid City for our time there. You'll see Sturgis, South Dakota is up here. Deadwood, South Dakota, Lead is just a little bit further south of Deadwood. The Spearfish is up here. Now I'll release another video showing you guys the ride through Spearfish Canyon and the waterfalls that are there. So be sure to stick around for that. Anyway, on this day we left Rapid City and rode through Hill City into Custer and then to the entrance of Custer State Park. I'm also going to do another video kind of describing and telling about some things that I learned while I was in South Dakota. But anyway, there was an entrance fee to get into Custer State Park where Needles Highway is, this wildlife loop, as well as Iron Mountain Road going up to Mount Rushmore. So I'll zoom in just a little bit more, that way you guys can see better. The attendant that after we paid our admission said that most of the herds of bison were going to be on this eastern side of the loop, but since we were already there, I decided we would go south on Highway 87 to the wildlife loop and do the whole thing. And sure enough, like the attendant said, once we got on this eastern side, we ran into a pack of wild burros that people had stopped and were feeding. I'll show you guys a clip of it in the little montage that I've put together. And then the further north we rode, we ran into a couple of the herds of bison. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video.